Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to explore about purchase requests. And this program is to entry data related to purchase request activity. First, let's see the toolbar menu. We can perform new, inquiry, save, delete row, and delete. And also we have the print purchase request. This is for print. And the next one is purchase request approval entry. The situation is like this. If you want to purchase something, so you have to enter the data on the purchase request menu. After you fill all related data and then save it. And you need an approval so the purchase can be proceed. That's why this action button was created. So you can directly go to approval entry menu, and on purchase request approval entry menu, you have to register the data more detail, including approval date, delivery date, until warehouse position. The key point is you can jump to purchase request approval entry from here. And one thing is you cannot find price on purchase request screen. It will be shown on other screen, purchase request approval entry screen, and it will be decided by approval. So, because this screen function is to data entry, so it's important to set the request date first. After that, we see the request department, request PIC. Because this is the right data is the mandatory. So make sure you enter the right data. And then we move to the main sheet, where we enter all the related data that we need for doing the purchase request activity. And we will try to input data this time and perform save. So the first one is fill the name, the item name. This is the code help, so you can double click on it and you can choose the item. As you can see, the item number is pop up automatically. You can set the quantity, example 100, and request supply date. We can set 29 August. Warehouse is on the warehouse sales. The vendor is from Ekamita Arah Maju. So, and then you have to fill the request date. For example, it's today, so you don't have to change. If you want to change, it's okay. And then after this, just click the save button. Okay, so you can see on the top the request number will be generated automatically. It means the data already saved. So purchase request is our first step before doing the purchase activity completely. Please look at the request date, request department, request PIC before entering the data. And that's the final of purchase request explanation. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us an email. SystemEver, making your business better.